Eyeye Street don't get new face as Chairman Egor local government, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, they continue the grading exercise for the streets.
Alright. That's good, that's good, that's good. Hey! Agbade! You see the gold dancer? Go back.
For her talk with Tori people, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia come talk say them don't first evacuate the dirty for 2019 and she surprised to see say dirty still full there and say them go remove the dirty and sand fill am before they go come grade am so people go fit dey pass am. She come appeal to the people where they stay for Eyeye Street, say make them they pay their waste manager to they remove the dirty from the streets.
Eyeye Street is like a bypass that links between Uwasota and Adolo College Road. This area was evacuated in 2018. We moved all the waste here and we made this road motorable for vehicles. I'm so surprised now that we came back again after a few years. It's back again to the normal way. You know, we are here evacuating, so our duty here today is to evacuate this waste. Then after that, we are going to fill this area and grade it so that there will be a bypass for people because of the construction of the drainages at Adolo College Road. So I want to use this medium to plead with the people of Eyeye, the people of this community, to desist from all this. They are not paying waste manager to pick up their waste. They should please pay waste manager to pick up their waste so that all these things will stop. So that is what we are planning to do here.
People where they stay the area for their talk with Tori people, come to salute give Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia for the better thing where she they do. Making a no forget say, as we see him, now so we dey talk him, we know they take blame. From Egor local government area of Edo State, Balumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.